Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be teaching you about OneNote. OneNote is an Office 365 application that is an online notebook or binder. Many schools use this as a binder for staff handbooks. Classroom teachers can use it as an online student portfolio. Accessing OneNote. First, let's learn how to access OneNote. Go to your ClassLink page and find the Office 365 icon. It is red. Then click OneNote that is in the purple box. This is OneNote on your web browser. This shows you all of the notebooks that you have created or have had shared with you. Click on any notebook and you will see all the notebook's content. Now, at the top of the navigation bar of your class notebook, click Open an App. This will download this notebook to your OneNote desktop app. I prefer to use the desktop app to access my notebooks because I like the format better and it is more compatible with the OneNote program. So now I'm going to go down to my app. Now I'm going to go into my OneNote from the desktop app. On the left side, I have the notebooks pinned to the sidebar that I visit frequently. When I click the down arrow on any notebook, I can see all the tabs in my notebook. You can add any tabs that you would like to any of your notebooks. However, when you create or open a class notebook, there are three main tabs that every class notebook will have: the content library, the collaboration space, and the student portfolio or student notebooks. Here they are. The content library is a read-only tab where teachers can send handouts to students. They cannot edit or change these handouts. The collaboration space is a notebook for everyone in your class to share, organize, and collaborate. Students can edit and have control over what they submit or link here. Finally, the student notebook is a private notebook shared between the teacher and each individual student. Teachers can see all student notebooks, while students will only see their private notebook. Creating a class notebook. Now we are going to learn how to create a class notebook. Go back to your ClassLink and click on Office 365. Click All Apps and scroll to find the purple box titled Class Notebook. Click the blue box, getting ahead of myself here. Click the blue box titled Create a Class Notebook. First, type in the name of the class and click Next. Now, look over the overview and click Next. This part is optional, but you may add another teacher as a co-owner of the class notebook. They will have the same access as you. Then click Next. Then type in your students' names. Then click Next. Next, create the sections that you want in your students' notebooks. You can keep the ones listed that they have here, or remove them by clicking the X. To create a new section, click Add Section. Click Next. Review the preview, and then click Create. It will process your new notebook. It may take a few minutes to have all your sections fully processed. Now your demo class or your notebook for your class is ready. Click Open in OneNote if you want it to open in the browser or in the desktop app, or open in OneNote online if you want it to open in the browser. I am going to open in OneNote. Now my notebook is in my OneNote app. This may take a few minutes for the sections to sync to the app instead of the browser. Now, I see 3 tabs along the top of the notebook. Click the plus sign at the top to add new tabs to your notebook. You can click it to double click it to name it, and you can click and drag to move it. I'm going to go click on my student notebooks. I'm going to go to this example, this class notebook. This is my student portfolio notebook. I have tabs here for lessons and homework. I can always add more when I click the plus sign. I'm going to click on lesson and click the plus sign add page. I'm going to type in a new page title. I can have this as my own page. If I want my pages to be grouped together like ecosystems and deserts, I can right click on the tab or on the name of the page and click make subpage. And now they're all grouped together. I can also delete the page, or I can copy it along with many other functions. Interactive lessons in class notebook. Now we are going to talk about how to make lessons interactive. You can have a tab with the lesson for the day. To provide students with a personalized audio recording for the lesson, you can click Insert, then you can click Record Audio. Click Play, click Stop when you are done. Now it will pop up on your screen, and students will be able to click and listen to you reading directions or whatever you might be doing for the lesson. You can also record video by clicking Insert and Record Video. You can also link videos by clicking Insert, then Link, and inserting the URL or a location in OneNote. Also, you can include attachments by clicking Insert, then File Attachment, and adding a file from your computer. You can link a page or attachment to another page by clicking Insert and then Link. So if I want to link something from another notebook, I can link it on this page. Another thing you can do is provide feedback to student work in OneNote. I'm going to go to the Homework tab. You can record audio to provide feedback. I'm going to click Record Audio. Now I'm going to go click Draw. I'm going to select my highlighter tool, and now this is where my recording will start. I can see an opinion here. Now I'm going to select my pen. I can see reason 1 here. I can see reason 2 here. I can see reason 3 here. And here is the conclusion that I see. To finish my recording and finish my feedback, I'm going to click Recording and Stop. Now my feedback pops up to the right, and students can listen to my feedback for their assignment. To play back the feedback, you can play C Playback and click Play, and you'll be able to hear your recording. OneNote Class Notebook and Teams. I'm going to go to my Microsoft Teams. Now I'm going to click a team. At the top of the page, you will see a tab that is titled Class Notebook. Follow the step-by-step instructions on how to sync your class notebook that you made in OneNote with your team. This might make it easier on parents to have your class notebook synced here as well. The format is a little different from OneNote. Just click on the arrow to the left, and then you will be able to see the tabs or the sections of your class notebook. You can use OneNote here or on the desktop app. Spend some time exploring OneNote. There are so many amazing features to explore. I would strongly encourage you to look up some more tutorial videos on OneNoteforTeachers.com. Thank you for watching my video tutorial about OneNote.